Hey PYT squad, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a partial mohawk, twist out, perm rod updo. Clearly, I couldn't make up my mind on what I wanted to do with my hair. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I'm starting off with combed out hair. I parted my hair in 4 sections. I use Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Crunch Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner to moisturize my hair. Whoa, that was a mouthful. I will be doing 3 braids on each side of my head in a U-shaped pattern. Y'all, these parts were a struggle. I had to wing it because I could barely see a thing and my glasses are getting in the way. I applied water and some more Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner to my hair, and I will be using Tropical Roots Moisturizing Sculpting Foam for hold. The key to this style is making sure that your hair is fully detangled. I started off by detangling my hair, applying the foam, then I did a 2-strand twist, and then I added the perm rod. I wrapped my hair around the rod twice to secure it, then I wrapped the remainder of my hair in a spiral motion. I sat underneath the dryer for about 35 minutes and then I slept on my hair for about 5 hours. I know y'all are wondering, I used a total of 17 perm rods for this style. My head is on the bigger side, y'all, so if you have a small, normal, or large size head, this should give you an idea of how many rods you will need. guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.